I thought you'd like this. We're gonna do a soft taco, a chicken soft taco, Suiza-Style.
Okay.
So green salsa, we're gonna make salsa verde.
Yes.
And this is kind of how simple this is. You take some tomatillos, some onions, a couple of large jalapeno peppers, and a couple of fat cloves of garlic. Spray this all down with a little bit of cooking spray, olive oil or vegetable oil, doesn't matter, and season up a little salt and pepper, and then shove it in that top oven, Spence, because it's on 550, it's on broil. And we're just gonna char this.
Gotcha.
And then you're just gonna puree it up for us.
Okay.
Okay, cool, you can handle that. Meanwhile, we're gonna make the spice blend for the chicken. So we're gonna mix a palmful each of some coriander, smoky cumin, granulated onion, granulated garlic. Whoa, that's a lot. And a little oregano. So we're gonna spray down the grill, whoa, with a little bit of oil. That happens, you'll get a little flare up, makes you look cooler in the kitchen, don't worry about it. And then you're gonna put this in almost a single layer. It's okay if they're touching, don't be too uptight about it. But you're gonna toss this around on your screaming hot griddle or grill pan in small batches and hit it with your spice blend. And then I just toss it around with these, with the big mean spatula. So we're gonna cook up this first batch, get a second batch going. When we come back, Spencer's gonna make the salsa and we'll build some tacos shortly. So we're working on chicken tacos, Suiza-Style. So we've got your charred tomatillos, onions. Do you like salsa verde?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's good.
Yep.
A little bit of cilantro. A little third of a palm full of cumin. A little drizzle of honey, and then the whole lime. And then for the sauce to go on this, you know, they add Mexican crema, or you can use sour cream, to the traditional baked dish, the Suiza baked dish. They add a few dollops of crema. Okay, so we're gonna take one whole avocado, squish it down into your food processor, and then we're going to add about an equal amount of Mexican crema or sour cream and puree this together as well. And then that'll be a second sauce for our tacos. We're gonna get this whizzed up, and I'm also gonna put some lime juice on our red onions. We have our chicken all cooked and ready to go. When we come back, we'll build tacos. Okay, so guys, these are our Suiza-Style tacos. You put a little bit of the combination of Swiss and Monterey Jack cheese in the bottom, just like the traditional enchilada Suiza. And then some of your perfect salsa, Salsa Verde. Thank you, Spencer, you did a great job. And then we're gonna pile in a little of our chicken so that it melts the cheese a little. Oh, look, there's extra chicken. It fell out, oh well. A little pickled onion.
I need some of these backstage.
Yeah.